Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of watching me, please don't fail to subscribe and share this link to your friends and your loved ones. Today I'm going to be doing plantain and corn recipe. This is my plantain. I have 4 seed of plantain. This is ripe plantain. Yeah, I have fresh tomatoes, 3 seed of fresh tomatoes. Yeah, I have onions, 1 seed of onions, 1 seed of atarodo, that is fresh pepper. I have Maggi cube to taste. I have my corn, cup of corn. I have two of this. I can use the two or one, but I don't know. Let me start first. Yeah, I have egg. I'm going to be using egg. In this plantain recipe, you can use it to eat rice. You can use it to eat stew pepper, or you can use it to eat egg sauce together. Yeah, I have salt to taste. I have my olive virgin oil. I'm going to be using this to fry the plantain and to fry my egg. The first thing I'm going to do is to wash my plantain. Then I will slice it and blend it. What I will do next is to peel it. The next thing I will do is to cut the plantain. The next thing I will do is to blend it with my hand blender. If you don't have hand blender, you can use your pepper blender. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add my salt. I'm going to be using this little bit of salt. I'm going to add my pepper, my dried pepper, grind one. I'm going to add more, a little bit. And grind. Yeah, this is the plantain. This is how it turns out. Yeah. Now I'm going to add my corn. This is how it will look, the plantain after grinding it. I'm going to mix it together. I'm still going to add the other cup. This one is not enough. This is the second cup. I'm going to add it. At last, I used the 2 cups of corn. Yeah, here is my tomatoes. I sliced it off camera, and my pepper, my onions. Now I'm going to turn it together. I've put my oil inside my pan and the oil is hot. Now I'm going to start frying my plantain with corn. This is my plantain with corn. This is my pot. I'm going to put my olive oil to fry the egg. This is the olive oil. It's made from Spain. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any type of oil you have. Now this is the olive. This quantity is enough. First of all, I'm going to add my onions and fry it for 2 minutes. The next thing I will do is to add my fresh tomatoes and my pepper. Now I'm going to stir it together. Allow it to fry. This is my plantain corn frying. The next thing I will do is to put my Maggi cube. A little bit of salt and stir. I'm going to allow it to fry. I'm going to allow it to fry for 5 minutes. Then I will add my egg. The next thing I will do is to add my egg inside my fried pepper. And stir it. I'm going to allow it to fry. Use the egg. This is the plantain and corn is ready. This is how it look like. So beautiful. You can try this with your family, your kids. It's so nice. This is what I did. Yeah, I have my rice and fried egg and the plantain and corn, fried plantain. Yeah, I have meat. I have this meat at home with my stew. Now I'm going to taste it and you see. See? Hmm. Tastes nice. Hmm. Tastes nice. and this food is good for our health. Mm. Just try it and write your comment below how you go with it. Thank you for joining me. Please don't fail to subscribe and share this video and comment and thumbs up. We will meet next time. Bye.